Yeah, nation people, the war go start. Intense a die. Like a blood clot private jet a so in brain a fly. Sikka Rhyme. Circle them ends and wrap it up them. Circle them ends make we knock it on them. We are empty the maggie on them. Them boy they can't this. We are chichim on them. Pussy violate this me kill you. Bust them a kill ever make gunshot drill you. Burn a fly head a open like window. Boy dead body drop a gun a dance limbo. Them boy they make girl fuck them with dildo. Them no loyal him this boy zero bill you. And want for style real bad man, you a go blood clot dead, that's how the thing go. Them lyrics ya rub him out, tell him for answer and stop chat off him pussy mouth. Watch the boy a try tug it out, him friend them plug him in, charge him and plug him out. Anywhere me see him get gunshot. Yet this Gaza you get enough gunshot. Your fish blood are wet up the place like rain pussy. You can't this Gaza that straight. The war go start. What? Nation people. You know me not easy, you know. I grade my smoke and me not burn BD. Regular on the hear me tell these fascists and them act like them not believe me. Watch me. What do you hear? Intence, run out. Jane, you have a portion of vlogger on the internet where you see run them more about oh intense this vibes cartel, him this, Joshy, and him this, and him this, that. Right now, you know, Sikka Rhyme, you know, run out yesterday. Tear off the whole of him face clean. You see what I say? Me not see the vlogger them a run out, you know, and I tell him say, you know, right now, you know, you better, you know, go fix up necessary equipment for Sikka Rhyme, you know. Because right now him armed and dangerous, you know, you have to approach him with caution, you know, kind of lollipop thing, you know. The man say, you know, although him get shot, him come up on your blood clot place and run away, you know. No gimmicks thing, not dead about it, you know. No lollipop thing, no in it, you know. Oh, me not see a friend them a run out. What happened to the vlogger them? Oh, him want run out. No, run out and claim say him this vibes cartel and him this and that and all kind of fuckery. Yes, what I say? And no big song dropping on him head where him supposed to answer me not hear on our chat. Eh? I wanna do. What kind of gimmicks thing on our deal with? Alright. The world, it's not a plan. So watch what I go on. Carefully. Hey, yo, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know it go already, you know, when I come for represent. Full effecting, man. You know it go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people here? Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? And people, it can't get no better than that. No gimmicks thing not the inner my game. Right about now, we see what go on the internet like is a coup or a plan on a try plan up. You can't overthrow Gaza. No gimmicks thing not the inner the game. You run on with intense look a song. Yes, so when I say I feel like say well then the song where him drop is such a powerhouse song to all of you run out and I show off and I jump up and I cheer all because you try to introduce the boss to war. Yes, so when I say right now, truthfully, rightfully and lawfully, Sikka Rhyme tear off the man's face clean. Me not hear una say no. Me not hear una do. Una can't hold on for Sikka Rhymes glory, you know. Cause everybody a hear the song them, you know, my brother. The man song tough and feeble, you know. Tell him, you know. He might for go in the studio, you know, and forward out, you know. Because no gimmicks thing, you know. Not dead about it, you know. He might have some dangerous question for answer, you know. You see what I say? Even brother, you know, him fishing brother, you know, where the man all label him as, you know, and I give him some wicked argument, you know. You think you can hide that? I'm there, you're mad, eh? He must forgot answer that. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. And for all who me hear run up their mouth, you know, me tell you something. All me hear on the internet, and I run up on the mouth. I want to claim I do review. I want to claim I chat. I want to do this and that. None of you talk the real blood clot fact. And that's why me as a man, you know, have to represent, you know, Gaza way, you know, because they ain't no other way. Because here we go. None of them man upon the internet now tell uno say yo, uno have to put some bumbleclad respect on Sean Storm name, you hear me? Include Gage more than even anybody you see you Gage. You better put some bumbleclad respect on Sean Storm name. You hear me I tell you? Because for nobody now hear about you for a while now. You see what I say? And if I never Sean Storm, right now you don't have so much highlight by your name. You so much people are call your name now, my brother. Eh? Eh? You saw enough your name begins to get all over upon the internet. Eh? Eh? Do you see how popular your name begins to get from Sean Storm? You see what I say? Bust bullet for you. Eh? You better respect that, you hear me? And all of uno artists where people never either hear about when me hear the whole of uno run out and with this song because you know want length for book uno first thing. And I say all of uno run out now with this song and I introduce this song to the internet and I establish on yourself. Let me tell you something, you know, put some bomber ass cloth respect for Sean Storm name, you know, hear me I tell you now. Because all of who need to talk about you know want war, none of them never come war. You see what I say? Man I give you regular, man I give you cover art, and man I tell you about this and that, a bomber cloth Sean Storm from behind the bars. Come out and kick off that mad and mean, you see what I say? So, you know, we are going to reap the look of benefit of fighting, my brother. You know, put some blood clot respect on the man name, included you, Gage, you hear me? And you are the first one for do it. You hear me? Nobody never hear nothing about you know. You see what I dealing? It's like you know, the underground, no joke shit not dead about it. A Sean Storm bust gunshot in a blood clot underground and make you have to fly from underneath that, come on surface that people can soon, so you have to respect that. You hear me? Okay, good. Yeah. You don't have to respect them things. I not deal with gimmicks thing, you know. You know I not deal with joke thing. You see what I say? I not in the either thing. So all when nobody you know want put no respect on the youth name, I go tell you say a joke thing you not deal with. You don't have to respect that. If it wasn't for him, nobody not hear about you, my brother. You would have all been silent right now. So no man not come give me no lollipop chat. Because I not take that from nobody. So when time I see the vlogger them, I run them more about some different thing and I go like, you don't want to respect the youth. Yo, let me tell you something. You know, Gaza thing, you know, a mad and mean thing, you know. And a gimmicks business, you know. You see what I say? So when you see you run out and I don't want to elaborate for intence this song, I don't know act like so you don't acknowledge what Sikka Rhymes do. Let me tell you something, man. It can't pass. You know why? Because him run out and the whole lot need to hype him up and chew on the ear. Yeah. He might chat. But where? Man never bad upper leg on him. And the whole lot you know what go on. I think you think Sikka Rhymes. You run out, right? You think that would like, you know what I mean? Blighted the man confident. No, the man know intents a baby. Because up on him veranda, the man go shoot video. After him get shot, the man know him a baby. The man dismantle at one time and kick him in him face. Yes, you hear me I say, uno better tell him come out. Yes, you hear me I say, because if Gaza VP now laugh with him, you better tell him come out. But uno want to sit down for a review and no want to tell himself to come out after Sikka Rhymes, kick him up. Eh? Yo, a Gaza way, you know, they ain't no other way. Watch this. A 10 star. The general. Watch. Nation people. Oh.